Let's talk a little bit in this lesson about updating your blog. So I have the index file open and I have the Britain file open. And just to review, the Britain file is the one that has the full post. So the full blog post is on a separate page called Britain, just one example page. And then on our home page, which is index.html, we have 4 excerpts. So for the Britain story, some of the text from that main blog post has been copied and pasted here to create what's called an excerpt. So we've discussed it before, but just to review, when you're working with something like a newspaper or an online blog, you don't want to just run one story on the homepage. You want to run multiple stories. So hopefully one of those, or more than one of those, will draw your user in and have them explore your site even more. Now, in this particular situation, the way we have this set up, we have to go in here and change each one of these individually. And it can be a little bit cumbersome because we have to go in and do it ourselves and automatically copy and paste the text. If you decide at some point to take this even further, now that you have a basis in HTML5 and CSS, you could use something like a content management system. One of the most popular ones is WordPress, and that one would allow you to go in and update your posts a lot easier. And they would be dynamic. So you can add the information, you can decide that you want to add tags to them and have them appear on certain pages automatically. So now that you've got a good basis of working with HTML5 and again, styling things with CSS, and you've played a little bit with this template in your HTML editor, you might want to consider taking it a little bit further and using something like WordPress to really make a dynamic blog that would be so much easier to update. So I'm glad that I've been able to share this with you. One of the most popular ones is WordPress. There are other ones out there. You can just do a search in your favorite browser window for content management systems or blogs and get some more information. But WordPress is the one that I use. I like it very much.